Alright guys, we just been up at the Daka homes. We should have that video out by now, and I'll put it up here in the information section on one of our cards. If you are interested in a nice, decent place to live, price range, I think around 700,000 to about 1.5 million pesos. 3 different models. Then you can go and watch that video. We are now coming into Friendship again. Korean town. It is already like backing up here. The rush hour traffic is starting.
Wow, Vulcan! Look, the Vulcan! I saw Vulcan.
Where?
It's a big guy who drives it.
Alright, so here we're coming up on Friendship.
Yeah.
And we're gonna go through Korean town here.
Yeah, we're here in Korean town.
Alright, rush hour is picking up. This is kind of a nightlife area too. Several KTV, karaoke television bars. On the other side there you have a JTV. I think it stands for Japanese television. If somebody knows what it means, you can correct me. We are going in towards. There's several communities here. And this is taking you over the bridge. As late as a year ago, it was basically just one lane across here, and they have now widened this bridge to 2 lanes in opposite directions, and that helps the traffic. Look at the plane coming in there. Yeah. You can say whatever you want, but the nature around Philippines is beautiful. Almost wherever you look here, you see mountain ranges and lush greenery. Everything is just very, very pretty here in Philippines. And that's one of the reasons I like to be here in Philippines. It's extraordinary nature, and when you travel, there's so many places you can go. I typically do not like to go to places like Boracay and all these famous resorts. There is so many golden pearls out there that you can actually visit. Alright, so we're coming up here. Hey, we had a little horsey running too. So here we have another community back in here.
There's a Friendship Plaza.
Yeah, Friendship Plaza here. And some of our subscribers actually lives in here, from what I understand. gated community, safe, and construction is going on everywhere here. So much construction in Philippines. I'm actually quite amazed.
Can we do another? No, my hands is so cold.
Your hands tired?
Yeah,
My wife says her hands are tired holding the gimbal when we're driving.
yeah. I'm the one who do. The one who, what is it? Holding the gimbal because he didn't put the camera on his helmet.
Right. It's a smoother ride that way.
Huh?
Yeah, it's a smoother ride.
Yeah, but my hand is not smooth.
Grab it a little higher. If you grab it a little higher up on the gimbal,
Yeah.
grab it higher here. Grab it around here. Here.
No. I'm comfortable on the.
Because that makes it heavier. If you put it up, it balances better up here for you. It's lighter if you do it that way. Alright, so this is the extension of Friendship Highway, I think. That's what it is called. Plenty of nurseries here. Some car wash. Car tint shops.
I think it's on the other this way.
That was the street where your sister lives, right?
Yeah.
Alright, so we're continuing down Friendship Highway. Smokehouse, that's a restaurant, I think.
Yeah.
No, here is what I meant before. I was asking for the word sunset, but it's Sunset Estate, right?
Sunset States.
Yeah.
Yeah. That's where my sister
Lived
lived before.
and it's a really nice gated community,
Yeah.
and
But it's so expensive.
it's expensive to live in there compared to most other places.
Yeah.
You rent
The rent over there is like 30 plus a month.
30,000 a month, as much as up to I've seen prices as much as up to $1.
Oh. There's a lot of nursery also here.
Yeah. But
This place is so cold.
it's a nice area. This alley is really nice.
Yeah.
I don't really break too easily, but I'm worth it, 'cause I'll slip into your dreams tonight. Oh, so give me your all. I'll take it to Mars. Oh, I'll stick like glue inside your mind. Just watch me breaking your sweat. You're falling into me, touch me. I swear you would do anything that I want, so keep us awake till the dawn. Just watch me breaking your sweat. You're falling into me, touch me. I swear.
There's a Central Town Mall food court
Yeah.
in that area, on the right side.
There's a lot of restaurants.
Yeah.
The next intersection, if you make a left turn, you're going into Andoer by Neighbor Mall. And you make a right turn, that will take you into Borac.
Burak, Bataan.
Bataan.
What else? Guagua. No. Yeah, I think.
Yeah.
Guagua.
All right, guys, that was the ride on Friendship Avenue towards San Fernando. Hope you enjoyed the ride. I love to get out there. When you're on Friendship, be a little careful. I've seen quite a few accidents up there over time. When I got back here from Zambales a few weeks ago, there was a serious accident. A trike and a motorcycle had collided with each other at high speed, and it was really and not a pretty sight. Anyway, thank you for watching, and wait for part 2. We're gonna give you that tomorrow, and it comes out, and we're gonna ride through Andoer tomorrow and put that video out for you. Hit the subscribe button, hit the bell, and give us a share or a like, and we love to have you here. Thank you for being a subscriber. Bye bye.